Mark for Future partnership with F1 for Schools. We can't wait for our partnership with F1 for Schools to begin and to jointly teach STEMMA, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, music and art, together in the future. The integration of F1 racing cars into our STEMMA curriculum will be a thrilling way to explore the principles of aerodynamics, thrust, design and engineering. Students will gain hands-on experience in how these principles are crucial to the performance and innovation in F1 racing. This exciting collaboration will not only enhance their understanding of these technical subjects, but also ignite their passion for learning and creativity.